All right, let's learn how to solve a proportion like this one. This is a linear proportion. What's awkward about it, or something you may not have seen, is a fraction like this where we have expressions on top and bottom. We're going to treat this like any other proportion. We're just going to cross multiply to solve. So when we're taking this 7 and I'm multiplying it by the top here, that needs to multiply by both of those terms. So how would I represent that? I'm going to say 7, but I need to put the x minus 1 that we see up here in parentheses because I need 7 to multiply by both x and -1. We call that the distributed property. You probably know all about it. X plus 1 times 9, same idea. On the other side of the equal sign, we're going to put 9 on the outside of the grouping symbols. We're going to multiply by x and +1. So this is what you would get after setting up your equation showing your cross multiplication. So then all we got to do is distribute 7 to x, 7 to -1. 7 times x is going to give you 7x. 7 times -1 is going to give you a -7. This is equal to 9 times x, which is 9x, and 9 times 1, which is going to give you a +9. And now we have our equation with variables on both sides. Remember, when we come to this step, we want to get all of our x's to the same side first. We're going to cancel 7x term from the left. We're going to take away 7x on the right, leaving me with 2 x's left. I still have my +9 over here. Bring that straight down. Still have my equal sign. Still have my -7. So now we're in a two-step equation where we just got to get rid of the constant, then we'll get rid of the coefficient after that. Take away 9, cancels. Remember, inverse operating. If it says +9, we take 9 away to cancel it out. Take 9 away over here. -7 minus 9 takes me all the way to -16. That's equal to 2x. And then we got to get rid of the coefficient. This is multiplication between 2 and x. So the inverse operation to multiplying is to divide. Divide by 2, cancels, divide by 2. And please keep in mind that a negative divided by a positive needs to come out as a negative. So my final answer here would be, what is 16? -16 divided by 2, that would make -8. And then to check our work, to make sure that it's accurate, to make sure that it's true, just take that -8, plug it back into the x values in your original equation. So let's go over here and see if we get 9/7. So that would be a -8 minus a 1 over a -8 plus a 1. So I'm just plugging -8 in for x, because that's what we found x to be. This creates a -9. This creates a -7. And what do we know about a negative divided by a negative? It's a positive. So looky, we got the exact same value because we found the one and only number that would make this proportion true. Hopefully this makes sense. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.